Today we'll talk about how can you enable new listings notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on app notifications. So then you come to next step here, click here on types of notifications. You come here to new listings, you just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us that's many listings notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.